Here's how to use Rasmussen's digital version of the Essential Atlas of the Bible. What you see displayed here is the title page. Using the navigation on the right, proceed to the geographical section. Begin by reading through the first 5 chapters, navigating with the chevrons to the right or left. After you finish chapter 5, then come back to the geographical section, and you'll have the opportunity to view video 1. Just click on the blue button and the start arrow, and the first video will appear. After viewing the video, it's optional for you to utilize the review and quiz. I recommend these, although they're not required for the course. They can help reinforce the learning that's presented in this material.